What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering two new exciting opportunities here, brand new job leads where you can work as a CSR remotely from home. One of these positions does provide you with paid training, 2 to 3 weeks of paid training. Also, you don't really need a lot of experience. All you need is a high school diploma to be able to do these jobs, and you can make up to or you can make over $17 per hour. So base pay here for one job is $17 per hour. The other one, they didn't list the salary, but we'll go through what you can expect to make at that position, or the starting pay at that position as well. So again, if you're looking for a remote work from home job and you want something that is entry level or beginner friendly, where you don't need to have a ton of experience, you also don't need to have a college degree, and you don't necessarily need to know a lot about the job, then this is really good for you because you get paid training, so you don't need any prior knowledge of how to do this job, don't need a college degree, and you also don't need any experience. So we're going to be covering these two job leads, so be sure to stick around to the end of this video so you can hear all about these jobs today. Now, before I dive into those two job leads, just want to remind you guys of my second channel, which is the work from home channel. This is a channel that I'm going to be, or that I am currently posting daily brand new job leads and brand new companies on every single day. So if you're looking for a remote work from home job or any method of making money from home remotely, this is a channel that you want to be subscribed to, because sooner I'll be moving all the work from home content to this channel right here, and I won't be posting these videos on the current channel that you're watching right now. Also, I've covered a lot of jobs here. So for example, just about a day ago, I posted this job. This was a customer account manager that makes $21+ per hour. This was also a job that didn't require you to be on the phones, and you could do this remotely. Also, there are worldwide jobs here. So for example, working as a tech support specialist worldwide, $26 per hour. And this job didn't require you to be on the phones either. It was a email tech support job. Also, other worldwide jobs, $27 per hour as a AI data trainer, work from home anywhere in the world. Flexible schedule jobs where you can set your own schedule working from home remotely, and a bunch of other jobs in data entry, jobs in live chat, jobs in insurance, healthcare, also customer service jobs, sales jobs. So again, if you're looking primarily for a remote work from home opportunity or some method of making money from home remotely, this is the channel that you want to go ahead and subscribe to. And when you do subscribe to this channel, be sure to tap the notification bell, and that way you'll always get the updates of when I post new job leads, which is every single day. But with all that covered, let's dive into today's job lead. So the first job lead I want to cover is going to be coming out of this company. It's Squaremouth. It's a travel insurance company. That's what they're in the business of doing, helping you to find travel insurance and also saving people on travel insurance. So these are some of the benefits that this company provides people with. Now, currently they have one job opening here for a remote customer service representative. And this job, you can make upwards of $17 per hour. So it says pay here $17 per hour. You get a paid lunch break, monthly internet stipend, bi-weekly pay schedule, and you also get holiday pay. Also, initial training, they do provide you with training for this job. It's 2 to 3 weeks during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also, you'll actually begin or start the job once you complete this initial training. Now, for this position, you need to be available anytime between 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time daily, but you can work from wherever. Also, they have multiple fixed schedule options available within this window of time, and this is a full-time position. However, you should be willing to work all shifts that they have here, which could include weekends, holidays, and even some nights. Now, as for the requirements for this position, this is what they're looking for: strong customer service and computer skills, excellent written and oral communication skills, attention to detail, the ability to work independently and in a team, call center experience. They would want you to have some remote work from home experience as well, that would be preferred. Also, they'll be doing a background check, and also insurance experience would be a plus, but that is not required. Also, other requirements in terms of technology: you need to have a fast, high-speed, reliable internet connection, must have experience working with a MacBook, and also other equipment that will be provided by Squaremouth, which will include a MacBook, headset, charger, second monitor, etc. So they're also providing you with the equipment that you need to do this job, so you don't have to worry about creating a home office and purchasing anything to set up your home office to work from home remotely. So if you want to apply to this position, I'll leave the link right here. You can apply with Indeed for this position, but I'll leave the link to the job listing on their website. And this is job number one. Now, if you've never heard about Squaremouth before, I was able to find this company on Glassdoor. They only have 58 reviews, but overall rating here of this company is 4.7 out of 5 stars, which is really high, probably the second highest company rating I've seen here on Glassdoor. So I think people really enjoy working here. Also, they have just 44 reviews of salaries, or 44 reported salaries here. So a customer service representative, based on 11 salaries submitted, makes around $39,000 to $53,000 per year, or an average of $45,000. But we already know the job listing, it said this job was going to be paying $17 per hour. So that's what you can look forward to making here for this remote customer service representative job at Squaremouth. So that's job number one. Link is down below, but let's get into job lead number two, which is going to be coming out of this company. It is CCS, and this company is in the business of medical care. So right now they have a job opening here. It's a customer service call center work from home position, and this one is also remote, where you can work from home, as it says here, work from home. Now it says call center customer service, however here it says you'll be a patient advocate representative level 1. So in this job, you will handle all tasks required to maintain patient satisfaction and ensure accurate and timely shipping of reorders. You will provide cross-functional support of all business units to maintain up-to-date documentation and insurance for accurate processing and billing of patient services. And you'll be the one on the front line to help solve our patients' challenges and deliver or promise of superior customer service. So this is pulled from the job listing here. Responsibilities: obtains and process authorizations for reorders, maximizes patient base through retention efforts and cross-selling via phone, audits configuration of supplies based on supporting documentation, maintains a high degree of confidentiality, maintains a strong understanding of medical documentation, insurance requirements, and company procedures, and other duties. Now, as for requirements for this job, you don't need a college degree, but you do need a high school diploma or the equivalent. Customer service experience is preferred but not required. You need to be computer literate to include strong keyboarding and ability to key data accurately while maintaining strong listening skills. So if you have data entry skills, or if you can type accurately but also quickly, that would be a plus here. Strong attention to detail, multitasking, communication, and organizational skills are essential. Position may require evening and weekend availability as well. So this was another remote work from home job that you guys can apply to. Beginner friendly, entry level related, and you can work from home. Doesn't require a lot of experience or a college degree. Now, if you've never heard about this company before, CCS, I was able to find them on Glassdoor as well. 3.2 out of 5 star reviews here. Not a lot of reviews, just 188, but you can still see what this company, or what people had to say about working at this company. As for salaries, since they didn't list a pay range in the job listing, based on reported salaries here, I think we could probably use customer service representative or patient advocate, because the job was advertised as a customer service call center work from home position, but the actual title is patient advocate representative. But we look at both salaries here. So a customer service representative, based on 8 reported salaries, makes anywhere from $35,000 to $45,000 per year. A patient advocate here, based on 7 salaries reported, makes anywhere from 39 to 55,000, so slightly more. So I would say you can expect to make around $40,000, since this one was 39 for the average and here it's 46. So around $40,000 per year on average is what it seems that you'll be making at this company as a patient advocate representative. So if you are interested in this job, I'd say go ahead and apply. Be sure to do so really quickly, because as soon as I post these videos and these job leads, usually a ton of people are applying for these jobs, and these job leads or job listings get pulled very fast. So be sure to apply. Link is down below. Also, I want to remind you guys of the pro resume templates right here. If you are having problems with your resume, or you're not landing any interviews, could be because your resume isn't optimized for the ATS system, and because of this, your resume is being filtered out and discarded without actually making it to a real human for review. So with ATS optimized resumes, you'll definitely land more interviews and get more job offers. So right here we have 3 professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. Choose the one you like the most. You can use it, or you can use them all if you like them all. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions. This way you get to customize them while they still remain ATS compliant. Also, 3 matching cover letters, matching reference pages, and matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs, which is also free, and you can do so really quickly. There's a screen recording here of me showing you guys exactly how to go about editing these templates really quickly. So these were the job leads for today. First one was a remote customer service representative at Squaremouth, and the second was a patient advocate level 1 at CCS. So with all that said, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.